Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of DIY Quick Crafts with Miss Abigail from the Harris-Elmore and Genoa Libraries. Today is an exciting day. I have been waiting for this craft all month because today we are making slime. I'm so excited. Found this super easy recipe online that is only 3 ingredients that you probably have at home. First, you will need a full-size bottle of Elmer's glue. You will need just a little bit of baking soda, and then some contact solution. So you may not have this, but you could always ask mom or dad to run out and get you a little small bottle because that's pretty much all you'll need. You're only going to take just a tiny bit, so you'll have this left over to make more in the future. To make this a little bit more fun, will be adding glitter because I love glitter. A few other things that you'll need are, of course, a spoon and a bowl. You'll need something to mix your slime and something to put your slime in while you're making it. We are using non-toxic ingredients, so it's okay that I have this bowl, but this one kind of just hangs out in our kitchen and we really don't eat out of it anyway. And then you'll need an airtight container to store your slime in. Start by emptying the entire bottle of Elmer's glue into your bowl. Make sure you squeeze as much glue out of the bottle as possible. Next, add your food coloring or glitter. Remember, this step is optional. I added 1 spoonful of fine glitter. Be sure to thoroughly stir the glitter until it is evenly dispersed throughout the glue. If you are adding food coloring, only add 1 to 2 drops. You can always add more later. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir until smooth. Pour in 1 tablespoon of contact solution and stir slowly. You will notice the slime begin to harden and become stringy. Keep mixing until a ball forms. If you find your slime is too sticky, add another half a teaspoon of contact solution. All right, who's ready for the big reveal? How far can it go? There it goes. This is so fun. I've been playing with this since I kneaded it together about 10 minutes ago. But what's really nice is it is easy to do. There's not a ton of cleanup because look at how clean that bowl is right there. I used an entire thing of glue so I can just throw that away afterwards. You guys may have noticed in the last clip that it was sticking to my hands pretty badly. I just added a few additional drops of that contact solution, and that really helped it become a lot less sticky, and it still stayed very stretchy, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, I did add the glitter and I found that it's pretty much all over my hand, so I'd be careful about that. Maybe you could try a few drops, just a few, 1 or 2 drops of food coloring into your slime. But make sure that once you are done playing with it, to stick it in your airtight container and put it in the fridge so it can stay good for a couple of weeks. What's super nice about this recipe, 3 ingredients, very easy. You can also double or triple it if you want more slime or if you want to make an additional recipe for a friend or a sibling, completely up to you. If you guys have another recipe that's really easy or something you really love, thinks makes the best foam, the best slime, any type of that, please comment down below so I can try it out because I love making slime and my niece loves slime and I love making it with her. We hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.